This is my Tamiya high lift truck. Originally it was the Toyota Tundra high lift, and a while ago I changed it to the F350. Now I think it's time to make some modifications on this chassis. And this is my plan. I have here new axles, Ultimate Toyota scale axles from RC 4-wheel drive. The rear one, and this is the front one. A steel Punisher shaft. I have only one piece of them, because one is already installed in the truck. And I have here a brushless motor system, Novak Timbuk 2 with 18.5 turns motor. These are the new wheels, stamped steel 155 beadlock. And the tires, Interco iRock from RC 4-wheel drive. And because these are Toyota scale axles, I thought it's good to use a Toyota body on it. So I ordered a Toyota Hilux body from Tamiya. And for something special on this Hilux body, I bought this contractor rack. It will be fit here on the back of the truck, and I hope it will looking great if it's finished. So I think the stock leaf springs from the high lift chassis are too hard. Before I used only 2 leaf springs on the truck to have it softer, but now for these modifications I think I need softer leaf springs. So I ordered softer leaf springs from RC 4-wheel drive, and I have to wait now until they are arriving. In the meantime I will change the motor and the speed controller. I'm working now here on the motor, gearbox and transmission. Before, this gearbox was fixed here on these 3 holes, and I find out that we have the same holes here on a higher position. These holes are about 7 mm higher. So I move up this unit to the higher position and fix it here with these 3 holes. The result is more ground clearance for better trailing performance. These are the new leaf springs, and they are much softer, as you can see. And here is another difference. The size of this softer spring is bigger than the original one, but I think it's good for the softness. But because of this, I have to adjust the position of these spring holders here. This is the standard position, but now I will use this hole here to fix the spring holder, so I'll have a good distance to mount the spring. So the work on the chassis is nearly done now, and I'll show you what's all the points that I have to modify to install these bigger leaf springs. On the tail, I moved this leaf spring holder from this position here to this place here. On the other side, I don't change the position of this part here. On the front side, I cannot change the position of this part here. It's impossible. I change it here, the position of the rear holder. From these holes here to this position. There are no holes in the frame, so I had to drill new holes on the proper position on the frame to fix the holder here with these two screws. In the front, I had to change the position of this damper holder here also. I had to drill new holes here on the frame in a good position to have it straight over the axle. And I drilled new holes here on the damper holder to mount it on a higher position. This gives more distance for the damper to move. So with all these changes of the spring holder, these parts here, there is no changing of the wheelbase. But the position of the axles changed a little bit in the rear direction. So I have to move the holder for the body also, in this direction to the rear. The result is that I have a proper position of the body over the wheels. Okay, the work on the chassis is finished now. The next thing I have to do is to prepare the body, painting, assembling, and all the other things. This work I will show you in one of my next videos. Thank you for watching, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.